When I was first learning Samoan, somebody told me that when you're reading Samoan and you're trying to translate it, it's often helpful to start in the middle, then go back to the front, and then read the rest of the sentence in order to translate it. That's because in English, we typically start our sentences with the subject, whereas in Samoan, we start with either the action or how we describe the subject. You know how to be like, well, just read the Tusipaia if you want to learn the language. Well, a great portion of the Tusipaia is written this way. So who or what are we talking about? That's our subject. What are we saying about them? That's either going to be the action or how we describe them. And then are we talking in the past, the present, or the future? So an exercise you can do is translate you a list of nouns and pronouns. These are going to be your subjects, these column right here. Then translate a list of actions and descriptive words. They're going to go right here. Then get you a list of Samoan tense markers. These are going to make the whole sentence either past, present, or future. And for the purpose of this exercise, we're going to make our subject singular and use the limiter le. That's the equivalent to the in English. Tangata without a limiter means people. But since we have a le in front of it, it means the person. Le tangata. Fesili, to ask. And the tense marker is present. E fesili le tangata. So the person presently ask. And when we translate it, is the person asks. Let's change our tense marker, olo'o. Olo'o fesili le tangata. So the person ask and then presently. So right now, olo'o fesili le tangata. The person is asking. So in translation, it kind of sounds backwards, but if you can get used to this, then you'll be that much closer to mastering the Samoan language.